Welcome to an introduction on the SCARIA project as part of the Belmont Forum Pathways to Sustainability.
The SCARIA project is about building a science-guided and community-based strategy of ecologically based rodent management in 4 African cities, namely Mekele in Ethiopia, Niamey in Niger, Cotonou in Benin, and Antananarivo in Madagascar.
Since 2007, more than half of human beings live in cities, while rapid urbanization is continuing, especially in Africa. This is difficult to accompany in terms of basic services, facilities, and infrastructure, leading to the creation and sprawling of large informal settlements and slums. Overcrowding, low employment, poor housing conditions, lack of sanitation and waste management are shared burdens by the inhabitants of these areas, with ample opportunity for rodents to thrive.
Les rongeurs sont présents partout dans les habitations où ils causent d'importants dégâts sur les stocks alimentaires qu'ils consomment et qu'ils suivent aussi par l'urine de leurs fesses. Et ils occasionnent aussi d'importants dégâts sur les infrastructures à travers les galeries qui les créent.
The first aim of SCARIA is to settle local working groups that put together academic experts in rodent ecology and public health, as well as local communities, especially representatives of the inhabitants.
Moi, opposite doctor itu mau kalian mau kalau besok nanti participar na projet SCARIA denye hwa denye betul na ememi to la istiga ya tite mo tite mi male me na mi do no ko do tikoshi ha beton ni do na nene na ni nite nye hwa mi ni tanye te mo na do fon ha no to nene.
These local working groups will be in charge with the design of locally adapted strategies of EBRM.
EBRM entails mostly on modifying habitats in order to make it unsuitable for rodents to prosper by denying them feeding, breeding, and nesting grounds. However, EBRM has not been tested in urban context since urban settings are in many ways different from smallholder agricultural fields. Hence, implementing EBRM in cities poses extra challenge, including continuous reproduction of rodents and omnipresence of them. In SCARIA projects, we are aiming to assess this challenge and come up with a holistic approach.
Autant de nos parents, ici, c'était rien que de la brousse. C'est rien que de la brousse. Et les rats, en général, aiment tellement la brousse et vivent dans la brousse. Quelques-unes viennent dans les maisons et constituent les animaux domestiques. Quand nous allons quand même référer un peu plus loin au temps de nos parents, on tuait ces animaux, on les mangeait. On ne savait pas qu'il peut quand même être à la base de certaines maladies. Je me rappelle bien, il y a cela 2 à 3 ans, où une équipe de chercheurs dirigée par le professeur Gauthier, qui sont venus nous expliquer qu'ils ont choisi l'ADI pour quand même faire une étude sur les rats.
An important part of the project is to engage communities in every step, to ensure that each person can share her concerns, knowledge and skills. We will deploy peer-to-peer learning and community mapping to strengthen this, a first step in developing key knowledge products and tools that can easily be taken up by end users. Furthermore, we will host a website in which we will have a participative online platform dedicated to the project.
Second, socio-economic, ecological and health data will be produced in order to have baseline knowledge about the situation in these 4 settings just before ecologically based rodent management is indeed implemented.
Je suis chef de division, études des insectes et des vertébrés ravageurs à la direction générale de la protection des gestion. Effectivement, le problème des rongeurs se pose avec plus d'activités au niveau urbain et également au niveau rural sur les semis, notamment les japis, mais en milieu urbain, c'est essentiellement le rat noir qui mentionné ce qu'on appelle qui cause essentiellement la plupart des dégâts qui sont signalés.
Sono Dasanara Yelmirin, researcher at the Institut Pasteur de Madagascar. In the urban slum in Antananarivo, the capital city of Madagascar, rats are found carrying plague and leptospirosis, why there is a need to implement and develop community-based rodent control.
Let's walk this pathway towards sustainable mitigation of rodent-associated issues in African cities.